Alright, video 3, just showing the code that I added. I'll go ahead and expand this. So basically, I added, this is the controller for the multiply function. Here it just has to multiply the number 1. I parse it into an integer. Same thing for the number 2. Parse it into an integer. Those were the two numbers that you enter into the text field. After that, it just multiplies the numbers together here in void product, and you save the current state, multiply them, and yeah, then I just had it printing to the terminal. I tried to get the show dialog working. I couldn't get the pop-up to come correctly. But other than that, the regular page, like how you set up the page, with the form, the two text fields, and the raise button multiply, which is kind of like the action button. Whenever you press it, it goes to that product function, which implements the saves, which is right here. The product function implements the saves, which saves the numbers and then gets the products. But yeah, so that's the extra work. Oh, and the multiply dart function or class is just the int number 1, int number 2, and then the result is just a template basically. Alright, thank you.